Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. Well, today's video is sponsored by NAO, and I will put a link in the description. They reached out to me asking if I would do an install and kind of a rating on one of their LED products. So I chose these smaller LED pods, knowing that I wanted to put them underneath the bumper here to give me some more light on occasions when I will need it. And I'll put a link in the description, and they were kind enough to send a 20% off coupon, so make sure you use that code that will also be there. But anyway, these are available on Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and do the install. I also bought a matching, basically a plug-and-play wiring harness for LED lights. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and install them probably, I think right here between this and this. There's enough room under there I can drill a hole both sides, and then I'll run the wiring back to the battery and up inside the cab. I don't know if I'll have enough wire to finish today, but I'll definitely get it done within the next day or two. So I'm going to go ahead and lay everything out and get started. Stay tuned. All right, providing a little closer look here. Seems to be pretty standard setup. This will be the top facing up. And you can see right there you have those two little captive nuts in there, which allows you to kind of angle this and, you know, I guess adjust it to your needs. But these two screws will go in there, and looks like this will sit pretty flush to the back side of the bumper, which is great. They won't protrude out very much. So I'll get the drill out and get some holes drilled. In the meantime, just want to show you my kind of my workbench setup here. Pretty happy with that. I've had this decal for about a year, and I just ended up installing it on the wall. Kind of cleans things up right here next to the Mustang, so I like it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get to work. All right, a bit of change of plans, I think. I was thinking about ways to mount these, and I can drill a hole under here and mount it approximately there. Or there's a cross brace right here. I can drill a hole and set this even further back, so it would basically be aligned with the end of this tow hitch. So I'm kind of undecided of where I want to put it. I like it both places. But anyway, I guess I'll figure it out. All right, passenger side is installed. Went pretty easy, not really too much trouble. I think I like them there. They don't really stick out. So the only issue is it's on, there's a little bit of an illusion because the bumper sticks out, but it doesn't sit perfectly level in there. I think this brace is tilted up just a little bit, but anyway, not that big of a deal. At least this other side will match. So I'll get that side installed and start on the wiring. All right, day 2 of the LED light install. And I've got the harness routed. The power supply is gonna go underneath the truck. And of course, that lead right there is not long enough. It only makes it about halfway. So I'm gonna have to, splice it and bring it all the way back, loop it around, from this light to this light. They can both be on the same circuit since they're both going to come on at the same time. And then I need to go ahead and basically hook up the relay and the power supply, just like I did with the front LED bar right there. So I guess what I need to do now is go ahead and run some wire, splice it, and tuck it all up there, make sure it's nice and weatherproof. I've actually got a plastic loom right there that I can run it through and tuck it back up. So should be fine. And then I'll zip tie it up there so you won't see it, at least not very much. But anyway, I'll go ahead and get that done and then bring you back. Okay, I've got the wire all run, and this is the wire that I ended up finding in my toolbox. It's definitely overkill for these small little LEDs, but I already had it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here and connect it to the light. And then over here, I will do the same. And then the only other thing I have to do is just attach the battery leads. And then wait for it to get dark. So I'll get it all connected and we'll finish this up. All finished. Just need to tuck the wires and place the switch on the inside. It's going to go to the same place right next to the one that I put for the front light bar right there. So right now it's just kind of hanging. I got to route it under. Anyway, didn't really take too long to hook it up. So I guess the next shot you will see will be tonight when it gets dark, and I'll show you what it looks like. Final update. This is what the truck looks like with just the LED reverse lights on. And now I'll turn on the new well, they're not backup lights, the new spotlights. And there it is. Huge difference. I think Donovan likes them. Anyway, they can be aimed anywhere you want. And they're definitely pretty bright. So like I mentioned before, there will be a link in the description and a coupon code so you can save 20% off if you decide to buy these off of Amazon. So if you like them, make sure you take advantage of them. I guess that'll do it for now on this warm summer evening. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the flip side.